Today I'm opening some packs of Lorcana cards. These are the new trading game cards for Disney. This is the first chapter. I was able to find some packs. These were $10 a pack. So the game's similar to like Pokemon and stuff, so if you're into that, you might like this game. I'm here just to collect the cards since I'm a collector. And I'll be honest, I do not know what is good or what is not. So I'm just going to open these up, and if you know I get something was good, just put it in the comments. So Tinkerbell, Magic Golden Flower, Goofy, Hey, Freeze, Hercules, Jasper, Chief Tui, LeFou, Steal from the Rich, Jasmine, Coconut Basket. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like some kind of puzzle card. So I'm really looking for, I think, the glossy cards. They have that kind of look to it. And I think there's some rarities on those as well. And that's what I'm really looking for. So you got Horse, Work Together, Bago, Hey Hey Again, Freeze, Fire the Cannons, Ransack, Donald Duck, that's pretty cool. Elsa, ooh, Ariel, Aurora, Shield of Virtue. So that is a puzzle card. So I got 3 more packs. This is the first edition. I wish I knew more about these, and it's only because I like Disney. Recently I'm buying these. Jasmine, Elsa, Beast with Control Your Temper, Maleficent, Kristoff, Frying Pan, Fan the Flames, Anna, Ursula's Necklace, Marshmallow, Genie. Huh. Nothing at the moment. Hopefully it gets better. Genie, develop your brain, Scar, Healing Glow, Actifacilier, Jumbo Jacko, oh, One Jump Ahead, Be Our Guest, Mickey Mouse, Rapunzel, Minnie Mouse. Alright, last pack. Come on. Let me just hit something here. Mickey Mouse, Mufasa, Pago, Simba, Wardrobe, Break, Cheshire Cat, Belle, You Forgotten Me, Maurice, Facilitate. Alright, so that's that. Can you see that? It kind of glows. So we got this Hercules card. So, no idea how good it is. I just know these are the ones you want to look for. And I'm going to just make sure I didn't. Oh, so here's another one. So the mini's kind of glossy there. So is the Genie. I just didn't see him. Shield of Virtue. And Coconut Basket. So these are the glossy ones, and I'll be looking it up. Not sure if any of these are good, but I will find out. And there's the Genie. And just so you know, I do have top loaders with these soft loaders. So to protect the cards, I'll be putting them in there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a tons more sports cards to break open. I'm putting those videos together, share it with you, and fingers crossed I get something big, some big hits in those. So subscribe, like, do all that fun stuff, help us, and show us that you like these types of videos. And until next time, keep breaking boxes. Bye.